Guys, welcome back to my channel again in a very interesting video of a very interesting channel which is known as Game Tech Tutorials. In this video I'm going to show that how we can customize our power menu app, screen, which is this screen. If I hold up power button for a long time, this screen will appear with power off option, reboot, torch, restart system UI. You can see here guys that this is not my default power screen. Wait here, because I am having right now Android KitKat. This is not my default power screen of my Samsung device. So you might be wondering that how I change it, or how I added the custom items like power options, data, Wi-Fi, and how I added these options with material design. And let's see, I will tell you that how I did that. For that there are some things which are required. First one is the very important, that your device must be rooted. Your Android smartphone must be rooted. If you don't know what is a rooting, then do some research, and if you know and if you want to root, then you have to root your device first. But if you are rooted already, then just follow my steps carefully. And the second thing which is needed is that an app called Xposed installer with an active Xposed framework, which is this app guys. Wait here, I will show you. Wait here guys. Mm, okay. Which is this one guys. You can see here, Xposed installer with an active Xposed framework. My framework is already active. And we also needed a third thing, is that an app called this one. It is a module, you can see, in Xposed language, which is this module Neo Power Menu. It is a module guys. We have to activate it using this Xposed installer app. Go to module section, it is the module. You have to activate this module, or activate this module. After activating, just tap this module, and these are some settings. I will show you one by one. Just tap preview, and this is my power menu. So if I will deactivate it, my power menu will change to my normal. So I will show you in this also. First, wait here, I will just deactivate it and do a soft reboot. Where is the soft reboot? Yes, this one. It is soft rebooting. And it is a material design guys. You are seeing it is a material design power menu for Android. And most interesting feature of this module is that you can install this module on any Android version of any Android smartphone. So it is very awesome features of this module, and which is very nice for to customize your Android smartphone. By the way, you can add custom items or custom options to your power menu. So I think so our power menu has changed. Okay, so this is my default power menu option guys. Wait here, I should open the device first. Okay, you can see here this is my default power menu, which was not in the last time when before rebooting my device. So now I will activate it again. Go to module section, go to tick mark or tick this, and tap on restart. No, not flight mode, cancel it. Just tap restart your device. Here just restart it and wait for your device to be restarted, or it will take a bit of time. So just don't worry guys, and don't panic also. So guys, it is very interesting app to customize your power menu. You can fully customize your power menu. You can add custom items, you can change how to view that items, you can change the background color from black to red, you can change the animations, you can change the icons of every items or options. You can see you can add options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sounds, flash mode, recovery, bootloader, and restart system, UI, flash, screen recorder, screenshot, and many more options you can add. So let's restart what start our device again. Sorry, I will open my device. Okay, go to power menu, because from here we have to customize it. And these are some things guys. You can see, just scroll down, go to advanced, wait here, permissions. Just view permissions. These are the permissions which are required. Just tap OK, and just tap style, how you like to view it. So I have viewed it in my material full screen. Wait for a few seconds, guys. Wait here. So wait here. So guys, as I was saying that you have to customize this app according to your choice. Wait here. Wait. Yes, this should be right. So there are many settings in general options, in other options. There are some about this app also. So these are useless. This is the main general or settings are main to customize your this app. So as you can see, okay, I just logged it. That's my bad. Just open it again. And right now you can see the background color is black, so I can change it to red. I will change it to, just theme it, go to the background color options, which is dialog, and I will change it to red. Use this one. So just tap save and just tap preview. So guys, you can see I have changed my background color successfully. I can change the text color also. I will change text color to black. Save it, just preview it. So I've changed the text color also. Just revert it. Okay, where is it? White. And the background color is it black? Black. Okay, save it. And here we are again to our original. So if you tap and just, you have seen I have tap on, wait here, if I will tap on power off, it will show me a red screen with power of dialog. If I tap on reboot, it will show me the another color screen. So you can also customize that. You can customize the icons color. Wait here. uh, right now my power of reboot, sorry, reboot icon is in blue color. So where is the reboot option? Yes, reboot I circle color. So I will change it to which should I choose? Yes, no, not this one. Okay, this one. Save it, preview it, and I've changed the rebooted color to this one, and I will change it to again soft reboot. This one, which is circle color, I change it to green. Yes, this one. Wait here. So just tap. I will change it to green color. Okay, yes, this should be right. Save it and preview it. So guys, this is how you can change the colors. You can customize it. You can change the color also of the custom icons. Let's see how we can change the background color. Sorry, how we can add the custom icons. I will tap on visibility and order. So right now you can see my power off is in top, and this restart, sorry, this three options, which is bootloader, recovery and safe mode, is in this right, and flash mode and safe mode is in this position. So I will change it. I will change power off to the bottom. Just how to change them, just tap these three lines, hold it and just scroll down, and just wait here. Just tap them. Wait here like this. Why it is not working? Yes, now scroll down. Yes, now it is working. Scroll down. I will scroll it to bottom. Where is the recovery? Yes, this one. I will move it to this area. Reboot, and this two options, which is flash mode and safe mode, I will choose to this area. So now let's see what I have done. I will open my, wait, not this one. So this is how you can customize your power icon or power menu options, which is very nice feature of this Xposed module, which is Neo Power Menu for Android devices. So guys, this was the another video on Android customization. Wait here. So now I can preview it, and now this is how I have changed the view of my this power menu. You can also change from which icon should be there or how they should look like. So this is other also feature of this uh, another new power menu app. Just tap. We can also change the animations, which is this one. I can also change them. Right now it slides from down. I will change the animation also. Let's change it. Okay, let's change the animations from dialog. type slide up. Okay, I will slide left. Just tap this, not this one. Where from here I can change the background. Wait here, guys. Dialog, slide up. Okay, from here I can change them. I can change it to slide left. Let's see if it worked or not. Yes, this is how I can change the animation also, guys. Let's change the animations from scale up. Just tap this preview, and this is how we can also change the animations of our power menu, which is a very nice feature of this Neo Power Menu app. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this Android customization video on how to customize the power menu or power options of your Android device. If you don't like your custom power options, you can also revert back by installing this app or Neo Power Menu app, or by just deactivating in the expose module. Just untick it and deactivate it. So guys, this is it. This was the video. I have to show you that how you can change the customer or how you can customize your power menu. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you love this video, then please like and subscribe to my channel, because that helps me a lot. So guys, take care and bye bye, and also have a nice day. Bye guys.